I want to tell you about a patient of mine named Sarah. Sarah is from Ohio. She was 64 years old when she first stumbled into my office, but truthfully, she looked like she was pushing 85. She was an office worker who had spent 40 years under fluorescent lights, raising 3 children, always putting everyone else first. When she sat down in that chair, she wasn't just complaining about wrinkles. She was exhausted. Her skin was paper-thin, so thin that if she bumped her arm on a doorframe, she would bruise and bleed. Her face was gray, sagging, and lifeless. She told me, "Dr. Thompson, I feel like I'm withering away. My family is talking about assisted living because I just don't have the strength to take care of myself anymore." She had spent thousands on creams, serums, and even considered surgery, but she was too frail for anesthesia. Now, fast forward just 6 months. If you saw Sarah today, you wouldn't recognize her. She is hiking on weekends. Her skin has regained its bounce, that rosy glow we usually only see in people 20 years younger. She didn't get a facelift. She didn't take a magic pill from Big Pharma. What Sarah did was fix a silent crisis happening inside her cells. She addressed 3 specific, hidden nutrient deficiencies that 97% of modern doctors completely overlook because they are too busy writing prescriptions for symptoms. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what we did for Sarah. It involves 3 specific, natural foods that act like medicine for your cells. If you follow this guide, you can start reversing the clock today. But before we dive into the science, I need to know who I'm talking to right now. This is important because different stages of life require different nutritional inputs. I want you to pause this video for 1 second and comment below. Tell me your age and 1 word that describes your biggest skin concern right now. Is it sagging? Dryness? Wrinkles? Or maybe dullness? If you are a postpartum mom feeling like your vitality has been drained, or an office worker over 50 staring at a screen all day, I am making this video specifically for you. Please understand, what you are seeing in the mirror is not just genetics. And it is certainly not a deficiency in pharmaceutical drugs. It is a deficiency in raw building blocks. When you give the body the right tools, the body heals. Let's find out if you are missing these tools. For those of you who are new here, hello. I'm Dr. David Thompson. I have spent over 30 years as a physician, treating thousands of patients just like Sarah. My career hasn't been spent in a research lab staring at rats. It's been spent in the clinic, holding the hands of real people who felt betrayed by the standard healthcare system. I started this channel with one mission: to help you live a life of independence, vitality, and dignity, free from the shackles of unnecessary medication. We focus on scientific nutrition, using food as the powerful biochemical intervention it truly is. I've seen the impossible happen when patients stop treating symptoms and start treating the root cause. Now, let's determine if you are suffering from the root cause of accelerated aging. I'm going to list 5 specific symptoms. I want you to count how many of these you experience on a regular basis. 1. Dry, itchy, or crepey skin. Even if you drink water, your skin feels rough, like sandpaper, especially on your elbows or shins. 2. Bleeding gums. When you brush or floss, do you see pink in the sink? 3. Joint stiffness or clicking. Does getting out of bed feel like your joints are rusty hinges? 4. Slow wound healing. Do small cuts or bruises take weeks to disappear? 5. Brittle nails or hair loss. Are your nails ridged and breaking easily? Okay, how many did you count? Comment your number below. If you have 3 or more of these symptoms, your body is sounding a red alert. These aren't random, unconnected problems. They all stem from a single root cause: systemic chronic inflammation and collagen collapse. Your body is essentially rusting from the inside due to oxidative stress, and it lacks the mortar, the collagen, to hold your bricks together. When you lack specific nutrients, your body steals resources from your skin to keep your heart and lungs working. Your skin is the first thing your body sacrifices to keep you alive. Let's get those resources back. Here are the 3 solutions. Solution number 1. The internal moisturizer, correcting lipid deficiency. The first hidden deficiency is a lack of functional fats. You might be avoiding fat to stay thin, but you are starving your skin. The solution isn't avocado or olive oil. It's something more potent. I'm talking about sardines. Yes, the small, humble sardine. I remember treating Mark, a 55-year-old accountant. Mark sat under air conditioning all day. His face was gray and flaky, and he had deep furrows in his brow. He told me he felt dried out. We put Mark on a specific sardine protocol. Within 3 weeks, the change was startling. He told me his colleagues asked if he'd been on vacation. His skin looked plump and hydrated, not from a lotion, but from within. Why sardines? It comes down to the cell membrane. Every cell in your body, including skin cells, is wrapped in a lipid bilayer. This wall needs to be fluid to let nutrients in and waste out. When you are deficient in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, this wall becomes stiff and rigid. It's like trying to drink water through a concrete wall. The hydration can't get in. Sardines are rich in EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, which acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, putting out the fire of inflammation in the skin. They also contain DMAE, dimethylaminoethanol, which stabilizes the cell membrane, literally tightening the skin. A study published in the Journal of Lipid Research, 2011, showed that omega-3 supplementation significantly reduced UV-induced inflammation and protected the skin's immune response. It acts like an internal sunblock and moisturizer combined. Here is your prescription. The dosage. I want you to eat 3 cans of sardines per week. The selection. Look for sardines in olive oil or water, skin on and bone in. We need the bones for calcium, which we will discuss later. How to eat. If you hate the taste, mash them up with lemon juice, capers, and onions. The acid cuts the fishiness. Eat this at lunch to power you through the afternoon. Avoid sardines in soybean or vegetable oil. Those oils are inflammatory and defeat the purpose. Be honest with me in the comments. Do you love sardines or hate them? If you hate them, are you willing to try them for the sake of your youth? Solution number 2. The collagen glue, correcting glycine deficiency. The second deficiency is the reason your skin is sagging. You are lacking the literal glue that holds your body together. The solution is an ancient superfood that our grandparents ate daily, but we have thrown away: bone broth. Let's talk about Linda. Linda was 42, just had her 3rd child, a late baby. She was suffering from postpartum depletion. Her hair was falling out in clumps, and the skin on her stomach and neck was loose and crepey. She felt weak. We introduced daily bone broth. In 1 month, her hair shedding stopped. By month 2, the elasticity in her skin had visibly tightened. She had the energy to run after her toddler again. Collagen is the main structural protein in the skin. It forms a triple helix structure. In this formula, GLY stands for glycine. Every 3rd amino acid in your collagen is glycine. If you don't have enough glycine, your body literally cannot build collagen, no matter how much vitamin C you take. Modern diets are high in muscle meat, steak, chicken breast, which is high in methionine but low in glycine. This imbalance increases aging. Bone broth is pure, bioavailable glycine and proline. It stimulates the fibroblasts, the little construction workers in your skin, to start weaving new collagen fibers. Research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry has demonstrated that oral ingestion of collagen hydrolysates, found in broth, significantly improves skin elasticity and hydration, reducing the depth of wrinkles after just 8 weeks. The recipe: you don't need to buy expensive powders. Buy beef knuckle bones or chicken feet. Yes, feet, they have the most collagen. Simmer them with water and a splash of apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours. The vinegar helps pull the minerals out of the bone. The dosage: 1 warm cup every morning on an empty stomach. Golden tip: add a squeeze of lemon, vitamin C, right before drinking. Vitamin C is the catalyst that activates the glycine to form collagen. Without vitamin C, the collagen won't cross-link. Do you make your own broth, or do you buy it? Let me know your favorite recipe below. Solution number 3. The Structure Keeper, correcting vitamin K2 deficiency. This third one is the most critical and the most overlooked. Have you noticed that as people age, their skin gets loose, but their arteries get stiff? This is the calcium paradox. The solution is a controversial Japanese superfood called natto. I treated Robert, a 70-year-old retired engineer. He had very deep wrinkles, what we call elastasis, and he also had high blood pressure. His body was calcifying. We needed to move calcium out of his soft tissues and into his bones. We used natto. It took about 6 months, but not only did his blood pressure stabilize, the texture of his skin changed. It became less leathery and softer. This is fascinating science. Your skin has a protein called matrix GLA protein, MGP. This protein's job is to prevent your elastin fibers from calcifying, hardening. But MGP is inactive unless it is activated by vitamin K2. Without K2, calcium deposits in your skin's elastin, making it snap and wrinkle, causing deep, permanent lines. Natto contains the highest natural amount of vitamin K2, specifically -7 Malawian kwachas, in the world. It directs calcium away from the skin and arteries and into the bones where it belongs. A pivotal study called the Rotterdam Study followed nearly 5,000 people. It found that those with high vitamin K2 intake had significantly less arterial calcification and, crucially for us, better cardiovascular health, which correlates directly to microcirculation in the skin. The challenge: natto is fermented soybeans. It is slimy, sticky, and smells a bit like old cheese. It is an acquired taste. The dosage: you only need 1 tablespoon a day. It is incredibly potent. How to eat: mix it with mustard, soy sauce, and green onions. Eat it over a small bowl of rice in the evening. Note: if you are on blood-thinning medication like warfarin, you must consult your doctor before eating natto, as the vitamin K interferes with that specific drug. This is the tough one. Have you ever heard of natto? Would you be brave enough to try a stinky food if it meant saving your skin and your heart? Tell me in the comments. So, let's summarize the protocol to double your skin's defense against aging. 1. Sardines, omega-3s, to rebuild your cell membranes and hydrate from within. 2. Bone broth, glycine, to provide the raw materials for new collagen production. 3. Natto, vitamin K2, to prevent the calcification and hardening of your skin's elastin. Please, listen to me closely. We live in a world that wants to sell you a quick fix in a plastic bottle. But true health, true radiance, comes from biology, not marketing. If you are over 50, or your body has been through the trauma of childbirth or chronic stress, these nutrients aren't optional. They are essential. Don't wait until you feel like Sarah did. Start with one of these foods this week. Just one. If you found this helpful, I need you to do two things. First, give this video a like, so YouTube shows it to more people who are suffering unnecessarily. Second, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. In my next video, I'm going to reveal the 3 breakfast mistakes that are destroying your energy levels by 10 a.m. You do not want to miss that. Stay healthy, stay independent, and I will see you in the next video.